Here's a tip. When you create a volume surface, it's generally going to come in looking like this. But we want to change that because we want to have consistency amongst products and our brand. And so we have this PDF in the Program 4 folder called P4 Takeoff Color Settings. And it shows you that you just go to the Prospector tab, select the surface properties, pull up the Analysis tab, and then this gives you the elevations that we want to use, and this needs to be consistent for all projects. You don't have to use these larger elevation ranges if you don't need them for your project. And then this gives you the base index color that you're going to start with. And there's two ways to pick the colors. You could either pick the base index color and then go to the true color and move the slider so that the top is generally even with the word red there for each of these colors. Or you could just paste in the RGB color that's right here. And that's the way that I'm going to do for this example. So I'm going to move that off to the side so that you can see a little bit more. I'm going to right click on my volume surface and go to Surface Properties, then go to the Analysis tab. And for this particular project, I don't need to go all the way above 21 feet of cut or fill. I'm going to probably be less than 13, so I only need 7 ranges. It's always going to be an odd number because we have a center number that is plus and minus 1. I'm going to go with 7 here. And now I need to make the adjustments. So this is going to go from 1 to 3, 3 to 7, and then from 7 up to the next number. And sometimes if you go the wrong way, it won't like it. Like if I change this to -1, I think it's going to say it's out of range or something. It gives me an error. But if I go the other way and go work my way down, that's probably going to be fine. So this one's -7 to -3, and then do this -3 first. You can see that works, and then go to -1. And now we need to pick these colors. I'm going to go to True Color. Off the screen, I'm going to grab that RGB color that I showed you, paste it in there, then go to the next color, copy, paste, next color, True Color, copy off screen, paste on screen, and then last color, or last cut color, copy off screen, paste on screen, and now we'll do the blues, True Color, blue is fill, copy, paste, True Color, copy, paste, and then the last color, paste. That's it. Apply, and then we can go to the grading plan, turn on that surface, send it to the back. And so this is what we want to do when we send a takeoff to the client. We want to print the grading plan, or go to the grading plan, turn on the volume surface, send it to the back, and that way the volume surface is still behind all of the contours and the buildings and things like that. And then if you want a legend, you can click the surface. It's going to bring this legend thing up. You can either select it again or choose from the list. We want elevations, so you hit E for elevations. And then dynamic, so hit the space bar or enter again, and then pick the upper left-hand corner. And there it is. Now this one's facing the other way because you can see world is actually north is up that way. So I'm just going to rotate this. And there's our takeoff legend, shows the different ranges, shows the different colors, and then as always make sure that we get the takeoff and record our takeoff. And this one is going to be negative. I'm going to round it to the nearest 100, so 4,600. Earthwork 04, 23, 25. Cut is 4,600. And fill is 10,700. 10,700, and the net cut is 61 fill. And then I'll save this one for next time. And that's it.